Hello, everyone. This is Zone Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com for the weekend edition of my analysis. This is gold on the daily time frame in front of you. So I went ahead and drew in my uptrend line here on the daily time frame and some resistance and support levels here. Um, we had a pretty boring week as far as gold was concerned. I mean, we had some profit taking, understandably so. I just kind of cut this line a little short so to avoid the clutter on my screen here. But this is basically serving as the main monthly downtrend line here, and we did break above it. So I apologize if I'm a little. Let me actually bring this a little lower here. We did break above it and we failed to maintain it, and now we've kind of traded sideways a little bit around 1260 area. And if I drop down on this 4-hour time frame, you can kind of get an idea of the uncertainty with what was happening here. So we had like a widening kind of a funnel pattern here where price was unsure of where we are going, but the moves were getting wider and wider. So here we are. We do have a buy signal generated on my 4-hour time frame, and we've been kind of, just like I said, consolidating around this 1260 level, bouncing around, and we have a gap up here around 1285, and we also have this downtrend line. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. But in the meantime, heading into Wednesday, I would say that we do have an upwards bias to about 1275, and we could extend to about 1285. As far as the push through, I don't know if we'll necessarily see that by Wednesday. Overall, we do want to see that this level here holds. I mean, that's the key here. So regardless of how fast we try to head upwards, if we are bulls, then we're looking to maintain this level. If we're bears, we're looking for this level to fold and then a further break below this 200 period moving average on my 4-hour time frame to test these 1240s down here. So again, what are we looking at? Let me zoom out. Here's the levels that I've been kind of looking for. So we are trading between 1261, 1260, and about 1318. So we are now in this level that we kind of were fighting with for quite some time, and we've broken back above, broke above mid channel of this box here. So I'm speaking about this level right about here, and the importance of that is that if we can maintain this level, okay, and trade sideways within this range for some time, we will eventually get above this level. It's a matter of, do we go down first a little bit and then bounce up, or do we maintain this area and then push upwards to try to break out of this trading channel between 1318 and 1260. So that's the key as far as gold's longer term view. And on the weekly time frame, you can see that we've spent some time in this box. I'll zoom out a little bit for you. So you can see that we've spent some time in this area here, and it has served as a baseline, at least for price action. So what do I mean by baseline? It just means that there's a lot of price action occurring within this range, and here we did kind of break. We were below it, and then we broke back above, unable to maintain, and then we pushed lower. So again, that's the area that we're looking for. And in order for gold to kind of move higher from here, you would want to see some kind of consolidation prior to any push higher, because then any push higher will be met with strong resistance at that trend line again, and we will fail if that's what happens. So if we get ahead of ourselves, then we will not be able to persist higher. Again, on a weekly time frame, taking a look closer, we are fighting here. I mean, we are. Let me just show you so you can see it. I mean, we are above this downtrend line here, which we were fighting with, and we are maintaining this 50 period simple moving average here on the weekly time frame. So again, I would expect us to maintain this level at 1260 and then try to at least consolidate sideways with a slightly bullish upwards bias on the lower time frames. So in the near term, I would say that earlier in the week we have a higher probability of trading sideways to up versus down, but again, that can change very easily. So don't hold me to that. But as far as the 4-hour time frame is concerned, we do have a possibility of running up to about the 1276 level where this 50 period simple moving average is located, and then we have a chance at, if we break this level, to test the 1285 mark. So that's what I'll be looking for. Maintain this 1260 level, trade sideways if you have to. Even if this 50 comes down and then we kind of just trade sideways through it, that would be the most ideal, because then we would be developing some kind of stronghold in this 1260 range. So that's what I'd be looking for. I am not interested in taking a trade in gold at this time until things look a little bit better and cleaner for me. Um, but in the meantime, if this 4 hour does do well and we are resisting this level, then I may take a trade. But that's just me personally. So use your risk management measures. Manage your losses. Keep an idea of what you're looking at as far as time frame is concerned. If are you looking for the longer term play or the shorter term flips, the intradays, trades, or swings. Make sure that your trading plan is taking all of this into consideration. Use the larger time frames, the smaller time frames, and then figure out how you're going to play, when you're going to get in, and your amount that you're willing to lose if in case you get stopped out. So again, this has been a presentation of gold. I'm on Wall Street. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.